of July is observed as World Natural Conservation Day all over the world. This day highlights the importance of nature and its conservation. This day also sheds light on threatened species of plants and animals. On this day, many events are organized by conservation organizations. Many schools organize events to mark the day. To keep the world healthy by keeping nature healthy is essential. This day holds a special significance for environmentalists. On this day, many people take pledges to protect nature. It also promotes saving nature and its resources for the future. This day motivates people to conserve nature to lead a happy life.